What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be working on the Triumph Street Scrambler, the 2019. Been a minute since we've looked at this bike, done something to it, so I felt today was a good day to get some stuff done. Beautiful day out, but we're working in the garage as it's pretty windy out right now. And yeah, today we're going to be working on the front mudguard. As you can see, this one is black, it is low, and it is large. So we're going to give it a little bit of a makeover and see if we can put some styling to it. I did pick up both parts from Triumph. They came separately, but you need to get both. I mean, if you want, you can rock what we're doing today is the higher mudguard under the headlight. If you don't put the second one on underneath, the back one, you're going to get a lot of splatter when you're rolling. Dirt, rain, whatever. It's going to come up, hit the grill, hit up all in here. So you need to should have, I would say, something back here. I have the mini smaller one. It also came with a much larger one, but kind of defeats the purpose of what we're doing or trying to do for the look and everything. So sit back, relax, let's get into the video. And so first item up for grabs, we have the Moto Gadget. This is the Street Moto.view mirror. You can see that one there. Yeah, we can see it. That's what it looks like. Let's get it out of the packaging, see what she seems like. And next we've got our Triumph pad, the bar, and all our bits hanging out inside. That mirror's from Moto Gadget. I did do a crash bar, again Triumph branded. Obviously they're very simple installs, so I filmed it, but I couldn't really make a video out of just those two, so I figured I'd just do it all in one. I'll put them up quickly, do a playback for them just to show you what I did there, just for kicks. But yeah, looking good guys. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm so excited for this bike. So again, I've got a few more parts to come. I've also I gotta wait on some powder coating too. I'm gonna match them to actually the tank and the fender, the white, and they'll be dressing up kind of the engine surrounding a little bit. And yeah, awesome. So thanks for kicking it with me here on this nice afternoon, and hope you enjoyed the content, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Scotty RFD signing out. We'll see you again. Bye.